So today we've done a mix of things. So we had a look around the farm area to get some inspiration for our sculptures. We thought about different forms of creatures and how we can amalgamate them to make new animals. Just started to kind of think about how different animals and species interconnect in this environment. Every place has a story, and whether that be the story of how the environment changes through the year, or the story of how humans impact that environment, there's some sort of storytelling that's involved. So I wanted to think about the different creatures inhabiting, and Victoria's influence of Leonora Carrington was great, because just changing the perception and putting different heads on different animals I found very interesting. That'll influence the work that I do in the future for the next stage of this project. But in terms of the kind of multisensory, the sounds of this environment are very important, and I think there's some wonderful work that can be done in terms of the poetry of this place.